Hello friends, welcome back to Appa Kaisovai. Today we'll make easy and delicious mushroom pasta at home. Here are the ingredients. In a pot, add required amount of water. While it is boiling, add salt and 1 teaspoon of oil and mix well. When the water is hot, add pastas and cook for 15 minutes. Now our pastas are nice and soft. Let's drain the excess water. To this, we'll add 2 teaspoons of oil to prevent the pastas from sticking to one another. Heat some olive oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onion, garlic and ginger and cook for 2 minutes. Now we'll add chopped tomatoes. Mix well with the onions and cook. Now add salt as per your taste and mix it well with tomato and onions. Add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it again. Now to this we'll add half teaspoon of rosemary, half teaspoon of mixed herbs and mix well and cook the tomatoes for 5 minutes. Now the tomatoes are half cooked. We'll add 2 cups of tomato puree and mix it well with the other masalas and cook this also for 2 more minutes. Make sure all the masalas are completely blended together. Okay, now to this we'll add chopped mushrooms and cook till the mushrooms are done. Mix it well and leave the mushrooms to cook. Make sure you mix the mushrooms well with the masalas so that the masala flavor get inside the mushrooms. The mushrooms will take around 2 to 3 minutes to cook. If required, add some water and cook. Mushrooms are cooked now. We'll add pastas and mix well until all pastas are nicely coated with the sauce. Now we can add some mixed herbs and mix the pastas again. Now our mushroom macaroni pasta is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and write your comments. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like and share and click on the bell button. We will be back with another recipe. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye bye.